Welcome! Today we are making Spanish sautéed apples with honey, cinnamon, and almonds, an easy dessert that turns simple fruit into something warm, glossy, and comforting. This recipe serves 4 people and takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. Let's start our ingredient tour with 4 medium apples, the sweet base of this dessert. Choose firm apples so the wedges soften in the skillet without falling apart. Use 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. It gives the apples a gentle Spanish flavor and helps them sauté evenly. Add 3 tablespoons of honey. This becomes the shiny glaze that coats the warm apples at the end. Use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It keeps the apple flavor bright and balances the sweetness of the honey. Measure 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. It gives the dessert its warm aroma and classic Spanish pastry feeling. Use 1/4 cup of sliced almonds. They add crunch and a nutty finish that makes the apples feel special. Finish the list with 1 pinch of fine sea salt. Just a little salt makes the honey, cinnamon, and apples taste fuller. Wash and dry 4 medium apples well. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe, and drying them helps the slices sauté instead of steaming. Core the 4 apples, then cut them into wedges about 1/2 inch thick. Keeping the pieces similar in size helps them soften at the same pace. Toss the apple wedges with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. This brightens the flavor and keeps the fruit fresh while the skillet heats. Warm a large skillet over medium heat for 1 minute. A properly heated pan gives the apples light browning right from the start. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and heat it for 30 seconds. The oil should shimmer gently, not smoke. Add the apple wedges in a single layer, then sprinkle with 1 pinch of fine sea salt. Cook them for 4 minutes so the first side can soften and lightly brown. Turn the apple wedges carefully and cook for 3 minutes more. Now both sides get tender while the edges pick up a little color. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of honey over the apples, then sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Toss gently for 1 minute so every wedge gets coated. Lower the heat to medium-low and cook for 2 minutes, until the honey glaze thickens slightly. This is where the dessert turns glossy and fragrant. Add 1/4 cup of sliced almonds and toss for 1 minute. The almonds warm through, catch the honey, and add that final crunch. Remove the skillet from the heat and let the apples rest for 2 minutes. The glaze settles, and the apples become tender without losing their shape. Serve the sautéed apples warm on a plate with the almonds and every bit of honey glaze from the skillet. The Spanish sautéed apple dessert is ready, and with that, the recipe is complete. And there it is, a warm Spanish-style dessert that is simple, glossy, and full of cinnamon honey flavor, just like we promised. Serve it right away and enjoy the tender apples with crunchy almonds. If you liked this recipe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell,